On today's episode, we're going to be working on a logo for Artifact Seeker. Who is Artifact Seeker? The world may never know. So this logo was a lot of fun. I had a lot of trouble figuring out which direction I wanted to go with it. I ended up adding different, I want to say planes, but like the different terrains for each environment. Because in the future, I guess the main goal is going to be to just like travel to other states, maybe even hopefully other countries, and see if we can do some drifting, in different areas. So I don't know, that's the main goal. As far as the Artifact Seeker goes, so I went with that name because I wanted to, an artifact can be basically anything. In the world of magic, an artifact's it can be like an equipment or just something that will like benefit you most of the time. I say most of the time because there are some things just like in the real world that don't really benefit you. At any case, I thought that the word artifact was pretty perfect, and since we're basically going to be out and about looking for items for the best deals and all that stuff, we're basically just seeking, so what better name than Artifact Seeker? I don't know, I was pretty pumped when I came up with the name. I wanted to go with the badge type logo. I'm looking at it now. I think it might be a little bit crooked, but you know what? Done is better than none. Because I think if you spend too much time on something, it's never gonna be perfect. You're just gonna find little mistakes here and there. I wanted to record while I was making it, but it's just like with the doodles and the fan art and anything else. I don't know, it's just difficult to talk, and when I record these, they take forever. They take over an hour for sure. Sometimes they take 4, 5. And I know no one wants to watch a 5-hour, 4-hour, sometimes even 8-hour video of some random dude just talking. That's, I don't know, I wouldn't watch it. So I think the 10-minute line is good, of course, mainly because that's what everybody else is doing. I ended up adding, I believe I forgot to record when I added the finishing touches for this. There's a little Mini Cooper and in the distance there in the road, and it's supposed to be my current Mini Cooper. I don't know, I like my car, it's pretty dope. It's just a regular Mini, but it's a lot of fun. It's especially because it's manual, so I don't know, it's pretty fun, especially on turns. I'm not saying that I break any laws or anything like that when driving, but let's just say it's fun. The red moon or sun. Actually, when I originally thought about it, was it to be a sun, but now that I'm looking at it, just kind of looks like a red moon, a blood moon, if you must. But I don't know, I just think it looks kind of cool. I left it pinkish red because it's never truly red or pink. Oh, what else? I wanted to add little trees and stuff, but I was like, no, because I don't know, I think it's gonna be difficult enough. Let's say later down the road I wanted to do something I don't know, like printing this on like a t-shirt is not gonna be so bad, but like embroidery, I can't say it right, embroidery, that's gonna be really difficult, if not impossible to do with like all these dang colors. Yeah, I don't know. That's why I made the other the little target for embroidery type things. But that's later down. I don't know. Like obviously I'm still new, but you know, long term, I just wanna avoid any extra steps in the future, because I do plan to be here for a while, rather than whether or not you know, it works. I don't know. No regrets, right? I guess my roommate pointed out that it kind of reminded him of a Pokemon ball. I didn't really think about it, but I guess just mainly because of the two circles. I was mainly trying to go for like a badge, you know, like a scout, like I don't know. I thought it would be pretty cool to have something like this as a little badge, like on a vest, or I don't know, on a backpack. Actually, that would be pretty dope. I don't know, but I just don't think that they would do so many colors. I'm pretty sure they wouldn't. It would still look cool though, nonetheless. But yeah, so Artifact Seekers mainly just gonna be like going out to yard sales, garage sales, thrift stores, in the future, some wholesales once we get some capital, and I was thinking about adding freaking some magic. I mean, why not, right? We already, like, I'm already into magic, so I mean, I know, I want to say about maybe 60% of the cards. I don't know, there's so many that's probably, I'm probably being courteous to myself. There's just so many of them, but I don't know, we'll see, because I think it would be pretty cool. You know, and I do think that if you're not doing something that you love and enjoy, then I mean, yeah, I don't know, it can be a sensitive topic, but I guess if you just look at it as in having no regrets, I just don't want to wake up being like, I don't know, next to my deathbed, you know, like just being in the dang IV and be like, oh man, if I had done this or that, then things would have been no, you know, it wouldn't. You know, I made so many like wrong choices and a lot of good choices, but I wouldn't be here now. At least I don't think I mean, it just, I don't know. Whether it's good or bad, it doesn't matter, to be honest with you. There's no point in looking at the past, because we just have to just look on ahead. That's the only, now is the only time that matters. So I just don't want to have those fallbacks and just think about the past type of thing. I don't know. It really is a weird and sensitive topic. I don't want to like offend anybody or anything like that, and I don't want to sound like a complete idiot as well. You know, and because, you know, I don't even know what I may just be thinking in the moment too. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, we're definitely gonna go this route for sure. Okay, so I think we've been rambling quite a bit. You guys, let me know if you want me to just like talk throughout the entire videos, or just keep it like I have been with the the music in the background. I'll probably still add music to this one. You guys already know if I did or didn't. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any recommendations, any suggestions. Smash like, subscribe, tear down that bell, and until next time, peace out.